Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you monthly reset routine. So personally for me, April month is going to be a little hectic one. I might have to shift to a new different place. I might have to travel as well. So I have to be a little bit prepared in advance. Also, I think these types of research just gives a positive approach to the coming month. So this video is going to be divided into 4 parts. The very first thing I do is the basic self care. इसमें मैं basically दो simple चीज़ें करती हूँ. One is to deep moisturize my hairs and I just said hairs. And other one is to deep moisturize my skin. So for the hairs, मैं usually ऑयलिंग प्रॉपरली अपने हेयर्स को करती हूँ लाइक ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. बट फॉर जस्ट फॉर अ डीप मॉइस्चराइजिंग आई use a little bit extra oil, and for a good absorption I just use some cotton and dip into the oil and just put it on my scalp. So I don't know whether it helps or not, but this is what I do. Then for the skin deep moisturizing, I massage my face with the pure ghee, and it does really helps with the proper moisturizing. If I'm oiling in the night, and then I will also do this massage in the night, and then I will leave it for the overnight. Once we are done with the basic skincare, we can leave this for a better absorption and we can move on to the next part, which is of course deep cleaning. So very first thing I do is to clean my entire space, the tables, rooms, everything. I sort out my all clothes so that I can have everything ready with me with which I can survive the month. I have few clothes with me which I need to send them for fitting, and this white cloth which I bought basically to use as background for my pictures and videos. I just changed my bed sheets and pillowcases. Now I'm someone who just loves clean bed sheets and pillowcases. It just puts me in a good mood. Lastly, I just use some agarbatti and just spread around in the whole house. It just puts me in a good mood and it just helps to clean out the aura. Have cleaned our environment, we also need to clean one more place where I just spend more than 50% of my life, that is my laptop and phone. That means the digital cleaning. I recently got myself a new laptop. It doesn't have much data. I just delete all the unnecessary files, videos which I don't need anymore, and move the important ones into a dedicated folder where I can find them easily. Last part is setting goals and being intentional of what you wanted to do in the coming month. Now I am someone who just loves planning out and setting goals. उसमें से achieve कितना होगा, that is a whole different story, but at least I love to plan out and set and give some goals. I have divided my goals into 3 parts, that is personal, professional and social media. For the personal part, I wanted to explore few new places. I might have to shift to a new place, so before I shift I wanted to explore few places in Jaipur. Since I have been quite negative from few months, so I wanted to be a more positive. I have also been missing out on my reading sessions. Like I start with the book, then my flow just got broke. I just wanted to complete one book for this month, The Power of Now. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in next video. Till then,